We beg you in the name of Jesus Christ to subscribe. Subscribe to the channel.
What, Jesus?
And make our Christmas merry by getting us to 1,000 subscribers.
That's right. Welcome, guys. And it's 8 days of Christmas. Okay, guys. So we actually wanted to share in the festivities of Vlogmas, but we never actually had the time for that. Orain work at this time is extremely busy, and I had exams. But the best compromise that we came up was to do 8 days of Christmas. That was perfect with our time schedule being more free and open. So our first day, or is it the 8th day, because actually counting down, will be an unboxing. So it's a countdown to Christmas, guys. So we're starting off from day 8 straight down to day 1. So today on day 8 we'll be doing a unboxing. So we bought some home decors online. We got Walmart, Amazon, all over the place, and we'll be showing you what we got. Most of it, as I said, is home decor and other things. So let's just see what we got.
Yeah, forgive my Rasta appearance.
It looks lovely.
We can't flash it now. Right, so the first box.
Let's see what's in it.
I'm not gonna take up a box first. I'm gonna take up one of the
bag them.
This one.
Doesn't it feel like Christmas?
It's like we are opening the presents before Christmas.
Yeah, this is what a lot of this makes Christmas for a lot of people. Gift givings.
Yeah, but these
especially
are,
for children.
Yeah, but these aren't the gifts.
No.
These are like
they can't be gifts. These are just home
to make the place
items.
Christmas.
You know, guys, in our new space, so we need new items. And it's the blanket for my mother.
It's a blanket?
Yeah, it's a throw. It's a Shepra throw lightweight. I got this from Walmart, guys. So Walmart.
Yeah, pull it or you not pull it?
I ain't pulling this. I ain't something I'm not gonna further. We gotta throw. You know, saying at Christmas time, all the way in Jamaica, it still get a little chilly, especially where we are actually. Bush, give enough shade. So it's actually very cool here. Very.
The box.
Alright, so
I wonder that.
Walmart again.
We can shake it?
Yeah, you can. But my hair broke something. Can't see what I do. I need a booster seat. Yeah, look up. Yes. Now we're in business. I know the strips, guys. Rots. Yes, people.
What is it?
I want bathroom this.
Oh, bathroom?
Alright.
Hey.
Packing air. Alright, so we guys got a shower hook. Yeah, shower hook set. It's
the shower hook come with it?
Yeah, the shower hook set. No, it's just a shower hook. And it's like a bronze finish.
If you buy this separate from this.
Yeah, this is not a shower curtain, this is a curtain.
Oh, cool.
So this is shower hooks.
Lovely.
From the core. And this is a must, people. Curtains. So this is a 84-inch 2-panel curtain. Like, these things are honestly hella cheap. So these are hella cheap. Like, honestly, when you go shopping in Jamaica and you see the prices for them here, it's like $4,000 or $5,000 for the panel. And to work out the cost of shipping and it's still cheaper. Still cheaper. So sometimes, for my money, God knows, I'm sorry sometimes, but I have to go shop a little bit abroad. Sorry.
But some things you just better get out here.
Yeah. If I just know how to spend the money, guys, wisely. If it never make sense, if it never make sense, you wouldn't buy it. So this was a good one. Blue curtain panels. This is for mommy. Next one. Let's go through.
The box are heavy, but it crush up.
Heavy. What on the Orain? Heavy.
None of that.
Heavy.
Why not that one? Tell me about this one. My eye go down.
I don't mean to say for me, one slice and a book back bang through that. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Yeah, man. Yeah, but show the people.
This is what we shall be cooking the Christmas feast in.
Yeah, man, the roast beast. That's like the Grinch said. It like down there.
The roast beast will be boiled in this.
I 100% support tasty cookware. Honestly, buy one tasty.
Feel it.
This
I
bumper.
thought, me think about that one something I'm putting in the box, store the box heavy.
It alone in there?
Eat alone, you know, so me dash with the box.
I know
Or
saying
you
not that
dash with the
heavy.
box.
It actually just weighed about 4.6 pounds, so you can easily ship it out here. And it was cheap. This was under $20.
That part are good.
Yeah, man, on good body parts. Tasty. I'm tell you, Christmas rice, Christmas, whatever when it is it done.
To the pot page, me not for cooking.
They are the recipe book, guys. It's inside
Or
here.
recipe book in there?
Yes. I lie not. What?
And if anything then when we can cook, check it out.
Yes. Because inside the chef in this, I forget him.
Chicken and mashed up, nope. Chicken, nope. What that? Bacon, nope.
I'll be your foreign food.
Nope.
Alright.
Next package.
Bust it out, my babes.
And I feel like crackery in there.
Home decor items. One place starting out for Christmas.
Cause you can see the custom run through this, right?
I know, right? Yo, the ramping up.
Oh, that.
As I said, Christmas and more. I needed some more rubber bands because you know this hair is growing. Yes, people, it's growing. So I needed some more.
And what is this?
So we've got tablecloth. So guys, if you guys watch the moving day vlog, you would have saw that we got a nice wooden table. But I know we never get a cloth for it. We went looking and people.
Expensive oh!
And the price for the quality and the option just not there. That's why sometimes honestly I do shopping online a lot because sometimes the variety out here for the money they might give you no. Oh my god, look at this.
The quality
It's
is amazing.
thick and nice like a bedspread. This nice.
Yes, and next in the bag is dun, 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 the fire stick. Yes, as I was saying, you can find this at Shop Around JA. Yes, so this is the next package.
I tie up with two.
Cut off one.
You see that never cut the bag, you know?
You know, cut it.
Hey, one snip. Hey, two snip. Which one you home first?
That one.
This? The feel so this are the curtain, you know, it feels thick. Thicker than a Snickers.
You tear the something, man. Come on.
Watch him, man. Alright, Big Papi in the... Oh my god! I don't know how I contain myself.
Contain yourself.
Yes, but it's my curtain. I might own this? No, mother own this. Oh well. But still, it looks similar to the one that I bought, just a different color. This is, I think this is navy blue.
Your one was the first one?
No, that's mommy own. That's why it's the theme blue.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's navy blue, y'all. It's a pretty color. It's a design nice. Y'all will see everything when it's, you know, well, most of it when it's up throughout the 8 days of Christmas.
Yes.
Yes.
We will take you through that as well.
Got more curtains.
Snip, where's the scissors?
Snip, mama.
You want to take, I guess, another one?
I wanna go. Wait, let me feel. So these two lights are nothing special in there. Look at that in this. Probably the next blanket. Same thing. I'm gonna say the next blanket in there. So these two lights.
Nothing special in there.
Oh my god! Oh baby! Look at this shade of colors. It feels so soft in the bag. No one from in the bag.
Ooh.
In the bag it feels nice.
Is it mine?
It's possible. The white one are yours.
No, look fine.
It's so nice. It's so nice.
Alright.
It really is lightweight. That's what he said, lightweight.
Alright, so we have 2 boxes remaining.
We're cutting through.
Which one do you want to pull first? The biggest one?
Leave this for last, because we know what's in this.
I want that.
What? Let's get this.
The WAP?
Yes, the WAP in there.
Okay. So we are going to pull this. I think Joe Young.
Okay, so we got. I don't know if you guys can tell by now, but I love Walmart. I love Walmart. Like
What is that?
Favorite place to go buy things when we go up there.
What that?
A bedspread. So I bought a sheet set for my bed. Full. Nice colored. Because I'm going to put like, y'all will see what I'm going to do with it when the 8 days of Christmas continues. It's going to look nice. It's going to look so nice. So nice.
Alright, open that one here.
I'm going to open this one.
Yeah.
Not trip my auntie.
Give me just something on.
Yes, I'm not trip my auntie no boy now.
Ooh, it glows.
Okay, so this is my own. So this one on my curtain.
That's the same thing, it's just a different color.
That's what I said, same pattern, different color. It's like a gray. Ooh, it is a gray. That's the color right here. Alright.
Pull this?
Yeah, that's probably the next one. Cause it's supposed to be two. No, I'm supposed to get a next curtain, you know. But a difference.
Maybe I eat this.
A plain one, yeah. Ah, there we go. There we go. So I can decide which one I'm gonna put up for Christmas. Oh my god.
Maybe I can put up it. Two of them.
I only have two curtains. I mean two. What's that name? Two windows.
Rod.
I only have two windows. Alright, so guys, this is the other color. A nice lavender purple.
And for the last box.
The last and the final one, guys.
I pray to God this video is over 8 minutes.
This says 16, so I would think so.
Okay, the last box.
The biggest, the piece de resistance.
The piece of resistance. Don't see.
With it.
Give me this box is out there. Box it.
Backside.
And we have a lot of...
Watch it. One bag of... What is it? Oh my god, Orain! What? Where is this supposed to go?
I would fire this of you.
Ow! Ouch! Where is this gonna go, babe? Jesus Christ! Look at... Now I come. Sit, Orain. Batter up. Boom! Below, whoa! And the entire stone is gonna take. Guys, would you believe this was? You know what? Comment down below how much you think this cost right now. Cause you guys would not believe how much this costs.
How much it costs? Take a wild guess.
Why? Let's think about it. You don't never guess how much this costs.
And then some of them put to make it weigh so easy. Them rob me.
Oh my gosh! It's our entire Orain. What are we gonna do with this?
Cookie night.
Yeah, but I mean, this packet need more than one burner.
No. One burner good with it.
Orain, if I go move the stove in it, they're too close to the... Hey, Lord of His mercy.
Hey.
What do you mean? Yo, I love it, but it's just too big.
Hey. You chop in there.
Alright, guys, so you guys must have taken your guess right now, guys.
Yeah.
This was...
Whisper, not talk too loud.
$5.
A lie. Say it again.
$5. $5, guys. There's no way I thought this one was gonna be this big. Oh my god.
And it's sturdy too.
Of course, a good decent part. Orain, oh, this cost $5. I like them. I rob with their rob them.
Come like go up on a robbery and just give them $5 if it was fair. And say, go on
Jesus
home.
Christ, Orain.
Hey.
$5 for this. Blue Orain. Let me tell you this.
Hey.
No, sir. What is this? This
I
is
mean,
huge.
not that
It's not heavy. It's not heavy, but it's huge. Like I can cook my face in this.
They can cook your head.
Yeah. Entire, you
They
know.
can cook an entire chicken in it.
Jesus, you know.
Nice.
If we cover this video on file paper, because no pot cover will ever fit this.
You know come and cover?
No.
Hey. Them kids so them couldn't clean up a cover in there.
But guys, this is the last one. This is what we saved the best for last, honestly. This shit was like hilarious. It's so big. Like what the hell?
Thank you for watching this week's video. It is the first video of 8 counting down to Christmas. We thank you for
8 eggs, 8 hot
days
dogs.
of Christmas. We thank you for coming out to see us unbox our big pot and our fire stick. You can get it at Shop JA. Chaparron JA. It is my business and I forgot the name. Thank you for watching the video. We beg you in the name of Jesus Christ to subscribe. Subscribe to the channel.
What, Jesus?
And make our Christmas merry by getting us to 1,000 subscribers.
That's right.
Thank you. If you get these, do not burst them. You can catch corona. See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.